Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today we have something exciting to talk about text-to-speech by using Python. So as you can see, I've written a Python script that allows us to convert text into speech using the power of the Python programming. So let's take a closer look at the code. We're using the HTTP server module here. And to create a simple HTTP server, so this server handles both GET and POST requests. So this is do GET. So in the do GET method, we search an HTML file when the root URL is accepted, and then the measure is happen here. The do POST method. In the do POST method, we receive a JSON payload containing the text we want to convert to speech, the language, and the audio speech preference. So we then use the Google's text to speech API to convert this text into the speech and save it as the WAV file. So now I already started the program. Let me have a look. Very simple, straightforward AI, and then I try to run through the program. We test something. Hello everyone, and then welcome back to my channel. Oh, so this is speed. So this is language. So we submit and then translate. So as you can see here, I already translated the text. So line by line. So this app can help me to practice my English. Right? So for example, we try to.
Hello everyone.
Okay.
Welcome back to my channel.
Okay. So this, and the right hand side, you can see two buttons here. So you can record your sound. So once you heard the sentence, and then you can record your sound. You can speak again, and then you can compare your sound and the original audio. So so this application is used to help you to improve your punctuation, right? So you can see the script is successful to convert the text to speech, and we get the file path and the generation the original generated the audio file. So that is it. So with this Python script, you can easily to convert text into speech, and you can customize the language and the audio speech to your liking. So thank you for tuning in today. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumb up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting Python tutorial. So if you have any question, please leave the question in the comment, and then stay tuned for more tutorial. Thank you for watching, and see you later.